Hello guys and welcome to this video. Today I will share with you how to activate a Hilal Debit Card. So guys, this is official website and this is how you can to activate your card. Guys, follow this step as you can see here guys. First guys, you need following this SMS to 2494 from your registered mobile number, and you can activate space and first hit 60 hit your card, and this is example, and set a new pin and send following SMS to this number 2494 from your registered mobile number. And the example guys, as you can see here, and this is how you can do guys. You will receive an SMS to confirm and you can start using your credit card easily guys. This is how you can do, and just send this message as you can see here guys to this number and you will activate your debit card easily. I hope guys this video helpful for you. Then don't forget to subscribe, like, share this video for more content.